Hey guys, welcome to Hema's World. Today we are going to see how to make fluffy, crunchy, tasty popcorn in our home within 10 minutes. Ingredients: butter, pepper, corn seeds, and salt. Now first take a mixing bowl and add the mixture one by one. First, corn seeds. Next, I need 1.5 tablespoon of salt. You can take how much you need to taste. Now I added 1.5 tablespoon of salt in my mixing bowl, and now add 1 tablespoon of pepper. Now I added 1 tablespoon of pepper in my bowl. Now I am going to add butter in it. Now we can keep this mixing bowl beside. Now take a pressure cooker and grease the butter all the sides of the pressure cooker. Now I grease the butter all over the sides. Then preheat the pressure cooker for 1 minute. Now we are going to add the mixture into the pressure cooker. Fry a minute and close it with the lid. Now we are going to close the pressure cooker without using the gasket and waiter. Now we can close the pressure cooker. We should not use. Now we are going to close the pressure cooker without using the gasket and the waiter. Make sure when the popping sound comes out, you just shake the cooker to and fro. Then the sound slows open the cooker. Make sure when the popping sound comes out, you just shake the cooker to and fro. Like this. You can hear the popping sound. When the sound slows, we should open the lid. Now switch off the flame. Now convert it into the bowl. Now convert it into the bowl. Now our fluffy, crunchy, tasty butter popcorn is ready. Now we are going to taste it. Mmm, so yummy. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you later guys. Bye.